So today, guys, we're gonna have fettuccine al pesto. We're gonna make it right here, the pesto, and we're gonna serve it with some good white wine. Let's go. Hey, ciao ragazzi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something really Italian, actually from Genova. We're gonna do the pesto alla Genovese. Let's go. For today, ingredients, some peeled garlic, pinolio, pine nuts. The main ingredient, the fresh basil, pecorino and Parmigiano blend, cheese already grated. Of course, the extra virgin olive oil can never be missed. Today we're gonna actually use fresh fettuccine for our recipe, okay? Let's start with blending all the ingredients. A little bit of garlic. We put the pine nuts inside. This is a very small portion, so you know, if you cook for more people, you need to put more ingredients. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Some more extra virgin olive oil. Once we have this little paste, like you see here, we're gonna start by adding the basil. More olive oil. Just a touch of salt, and we're gonna blend it again. So our pesto is ready. Let's have a look at the consistency, looks good. At this point, what I like to do is to blend the parmesan, the cheese, with the pesto separate from the blender. I don't want the cheese to warm up with the blades, so I like to keep everything cold, okay? Now we have our blend of basil with the pine nuts and a little bit of garlic and olive oil. At this point, we're gonna add the cheese. And we're gonna blend it again. Our pesto is beautiful and ready. Now we're gonna put our pesto on the side. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator while we cook the pasta, okay? We have our water boiling. At this point, we're gonna put a little bit of sea salt. And we're gonna taste our water. It's like a little portion. Then we're gonna add our fettuccine, and we're gonna wait a few minutes. Our pasta is ready. There we go. Right, don't be afraid if there's a little bit of water. As you see, this time I'm not putting the sauce into the pan, but inside a bowl. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want the pesto to cook. The pesto should not be cooked, it should be raw. We're gonna add the pesto inside, more extra virgin olive oil. If you need to warm up this, you just put it on top of the pan and you just warm up the whole thing. You can add a little bit of more olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, Look at this. Pasta al pesto. And now we're gonna plate it. Look at that. Voila. Gonna finish up with a little bit of olive oil. Parmigiano Reggiano. Il nostro pesto is done. Nice basil leaves. There we go. Fettuccine al pesto fresco. We just made this pesto in about 5 minutes, and we made this pasta what, in 10 minutes, 15 minutes? This is an amazing pasta, really healthy. It's got nuts, olive oil, some fresh Parmigiano, basil. This is really amazing fresh pasta. Come and try this out at Borti Pasta here in Miami. Excellent.